Hi everyone, welcome back to the nodejs tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about Express framework. Express is an extensible web framework built for Node.js ecosystem. It enables you to create a web server that is more readable, flexible, and maintainable than you would be able to create using only the Node HTTP library, which can get complicated for even the most basic web servers. Now let's create new express project. So first of all, go to the project location. Here I am going to my desktop. So just minimize it. And here this is my desktop. And here just create a new folder. So right click and just go to the new then folder. And let's say folder name is express pro. Okay. Just open this folder. So double click and inside this folder uh, here open command prompt, so just type here cmd and inside the command prompt just type here npm init. Okay, now press enter. All right, now enter package name express pro is good, so press enter. Version 1.0.0 description express framework project. Okay, now press enter. Entry point index.js, good. Text command nothing. Git repository blank. Keywords blank. Other Surfside media. Enter. Enter. Okay, now yes. All right, now project has been created. So now install the express module. So type here npm. First of all, clear the screen. Now type here npm install dash dash save express. Okay, now press enter. Now it's installing the express module. All right, now just open this project inside the Visual Studio Code. So go to the Visual Studio Code and just open a folder and select the project. Our project is Express Pro, so just select this folder and open. Now inside the project, just create a new file. So just click on new file and let's say file name is index.js. Okay, just open this file. And inside the index.js file, first of all require the express framework module. So just type here const express is equal to require, and inside the require just pass here express. Okay. Now set up the express install application. So setting up the express application, just write here const app is equal to express. All right. Now here I am going to just display a hello world message. So just write here app.get and URI root forward slash and just pass here request and response. Okay, this is the callback function, and just inside this callback function just response. dot send, and let's say hello world. Right. Now add the port number. So app dot listen, and inside the listen pass the port number 3000. Okay. And inside the callback function just pass here the message console.log express express is running on localhost 3000 port. Okay. Here app.listen function tells the server to start listening for connection as a particular port. In this case, the port number is 3000. Okay. Now let's save this file and run this. So go to the command prompt, and here inside the command prompt just run the index.js file. So just type here node space index.js. Okay. Now press enter. Okay, here is the error app.get. Alright, here fat arrow is missing, so just write here fat arrow. Alright, now save the file and rerun the index.js file. So just type here node index.js. Okay, now it's running on localhost 3000. So go to the browser and just go to the URL localhost 3000. Okay, press enter. Now you can see here hello world message. Okay. All right, now let's see the simple routes in express. So go to the index.js file and here just create simple routes. So just write here, just create routes for the about us page, contact us page. So just write here app.get, and let's say route is about, and here callback function response and request and response, and inside this callback function just response the message, let's say this is about page. Okay, in similar way just create a route for about contact us page. So right here app.get, and here just type contact, good, then callback function pass to parameter request and response, and inside this callback function just response and send the message, this is contact us page. All right, now save the file and let's run. So switch to the command prompt and just stop this. So for stopping just press here Ctrl plus C, and now rerun the index.js file. So just type here in node space index.js. Okay, press enter. Okay, inside the contact routes there is a problem. Okay, here fat arrow missing, so just write here fat arrow. Now save the file and rerun index.js file. Alright, now it's running on localhost 3000. So go to the localhost 3000 and just write here inside the URL just pass here about. You can see here this is the about page, and if I pass here contact, you can see here the contact page. Okay, so in this way you can create a new express project. So that's all about introduction to express. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.